Hello great people, so welcome back to the Escapades. So today I have decided to bring you yet another great video. So today we are going to open the Ecitizen account and head to the business registration portal, where we're going to register for CR12. Please note, to register for a CR12 or to get another CR12 after you have registered your company, you will need to be a third party, so that the only a third party can be able to access or apply for a CR12 form. So as you can see, we are there at the official search for the CR12. So you'll need to read the instruction as shown below. Then you'll have to click apply now. After you click apply now, you'll have to put in the organization or the company that you would want to get the CR12 for. You can either put its registration number or its name. Then afterwards, just press search on the search bar. After you press search, it will bring to you the name of the organization that you are searching for. Then finally you will have to press next. You'll have to put in your various details, like the PO box, the postal code, and the email, your personal email. Then from there you'll also have to put in your phone number. Then finally, after you do that, you'll have to save that and move to the next part. Finally, after that, you'll have to click I hereby confirm that all the information I've provided is correct and all that. Then from there, you'll have to just press finish. Then after pressing finish, it will take you, or it will prompt you into the payment section. For me, I prefer the M-Pesa mode of payment. So it will take you to the M-Pesa mode of payment, and you will either have to put in the number that you want to pay with, or you may click on down here where it said paid. You'll have to put in the number. After you have put in the number, you will click on pay. After you click on pay, it will prompt the person with the number that you have put to pay for the particular service, which is to pay for the CR12, which is 650. Then after you have paid and you have received the eCitizen account confirmation, you'll have to just click on complete, and it will successfully bring out your CR12, the updated version. So mostly the CR12 is normally asked by various organizations such as banks, and mostly they want a 3 months or 6 months old CR12. So that's how you are able to get a up-to-date CR12. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and see you in the next one, guys. Toodles.